subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its first 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M42, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Galaxy A42 5G smartphone that was launched back in November last year. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy M42 5G supports a 6.6-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that houses an 20-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view plus 5-megapixel macro and another 5-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Galaxy M42 5G comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with One UI 3.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with knock security feature along with the Samsung Pay for secure payment. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.9 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy M42 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 21,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 23,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be available at an introductory discount of Rs 2000 for a limited period of time starting from May 1st in Prism.Black and Prism.Grey color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy M42 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.